AIDS to one man, a carrier who did not know he had it.
The study established a link between one AIDS patient who had sexual contact with 4 men in Los Angeles, 4 others in New York. Those 8 victims then spread the AIDS to men in San Francisco, Florida, Georgia, Texas, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey, 10 cities total. The study was triggered after examinations of victims in Southern California. As of last week, there were 3,775 AIDS cases in the United States. 315 were in Los Angeles. Dr. David Auerbach worked on the study during his tenure with the Center for Disease Control.
For every time every link, every pair that we establish who had sexual contact with one another, there are probably many more men out there who also had a history of sexual contact with that AIDS patient, maybe even around the same period of time, who never did develop AIDS.
The study supports research of cluster groups or links between patients. AIDS can be transmitted sexually, and the incubation period as long as 10 months. Others even suggest it could be longer. The AIDS Project of Los Angeles says it sees the numbers beginning to increase significantly for Los Angeles.
Well, it's been 2 years since the first cases were really starting to show up in Los Angeles. If the incubation period is 2 years, which many people are beginning to suspect that it is, we are just now seeing the dramatic increase in the numbers of people that are being diagnosed here in Los Angeles.
Researchers and support organizations agree studies like this one point to the need for increased public education on AIDS. The AIDS hotline number is 213-871-AIDS. And the doctor also stressed that while the public is anxious for a cure, AIDS research is making headway and is also helping science understand other diseases like cancers in general.